Every child with autism is unique, and sometimes for their educational needs, it's not always clear where they fit. As parents, we desperately want to help our children find the place they belong, a place where they are understood, where they are welcomed, and where they can thrive. Autism Academy is that place. Our staff, approach, and curriculum are passionately focused on helping every K-12 child with autism become the best possible version of themselves.
I think Autism Academy is different because it's structured in such a way to really target what each individual kid needs, where at other schools some kids get a little bit lost. Here we know every kid, we know what they need.
Anytime we're planning lessons or creating activities, we always think what will benefit the kids the most.
We're all working together to do what's best for each individual kid in each classroom, whether that's getting them out into the community, getting them onto Special Olympics, making sure that we're meeting their individual interests and getting all of that communication out of them so that we can do what's best for them.
A lot of the students didn't have a place. They didn't have somewhere that they belonged. And I think that they were just more outcasts than anything at the schools that they were at. And our school just kind of provides like something completely different. Our kids have friends, they're invited to birthday parties. It's a real community feel now. I mean, it's something that I've never seen before.
In education, when we have the families and the teachers in the school all on the same page and all on the same team, that's when we're seeing all of the success and growth for the students. I really appreciate that is the culture here, that we're in it together, we're in a team, and there's just that connection and partnership with the families as well.
We believe that every child is exceptional, and their learning environment should be too.
I love coming to work every day, and I think the reason for it is because I know that wholeheartedly the people that work here, it's not an easy job. And so I know that the people that show up every day to go to work, they do it because they love it and they love the kids.
I enjoy coming to work every day because I get to work with such an amazing team, not only in my classroom, but in this building across the entire district.
I always feel so supported by all the other teachers and the administration.
All the teachers are able to communicate. It's not just this is the Tempe campus, this is AAED.
You can tell that there's just a need for it, especially when you have parents who have had really bad experiences and they're just in tears crying because this is like the best thing that's happened for their family because their kids are happy at home now and they're happy going to school, so it makes it easy for everyone.
If you're trying to piece together the academic solution for your child with autism, come discover Autism Academy. Call 480-240-9255 to arrange an in-person tour of a campus near you. Do it today, because nothing's more satisfying than finding the right fit for your child.